Hey guys, how's everyone doing? We are back again to bring you insights and advice on your real estate journey. So if you're looking for a property tutorial and how-to channel, you've come to the right place.
Many parents will go the extra mile when it comes to their children. This is especially true when sending their kids to their primary school of choice. So if you're thinking of buying a property near your primary school of choice, then watch this video because today we will share some insights on when to buy and what to look out for. Let's go! First of all, you must register your child 1 year before they start primary 1. So keep in mind the address you use for the registration must be reflected on your NRIC. If you have more than one property, you may use the one that is nearest to the school of choice. Just make sure you are staying in there. Apart from owning, renting a property near the school is also possible.
Next, let's discuss distance. Each phase of the registration will consider the distance radius. This means that every phase will ballot according to within 1 kilometer, 1 to 2 kilometers, and then beyond 2 kilometers. For example, phase 1, which is for siblings. If there's no balloting, all siblings will enter the school. Phase 2, for alumni and staff. Assuming there's an oversubscription of students in this phase, balloting will be done for addresses within 1 kilometer first, then subsequently 1 to 2 kilometers, and then more than 2 kilometers. Bear this in mind when buying a property near the school. If you want to increase your chances, buy as close to the school as possible.
If you are buying a new launch, you have to attach the sales and purchase agreement during the registration of primary 1 when your child is 6 years old, so you must have already bought the property. A very important thing to note is the TOP date of the property must be within 2 years of your child entering primary 1. That means that latest by the end of primary 2, you must be staying in the new property.
So, if you're buying a new launch to increase your chances of enrollment, number 1, make sure you already bought and exercised the property upon the registration of the school, when your child is 6 years old. Number 2, make sure the property will reach TOP and move in before your child finishes primary 2. Number 3, if you can't guarantee when the property will TOP, buy at least 1 year before your child's registration or 2 years before he or she is primary 1. If you're buying a resale property, you have to attach the exercise option to purchase during the registration. It's not a must to already be staying in the property, but you have to bear in mind that after renovations, you must be staying in the property when your child enters primary 1. So, you have half a year from registration to move in.
So if you're buying a resale property for the chances of the school, number 1, make sure you have already bought and exercised upon the registration of school. Number 2, make sure your renovations can complete and you can move in by school admission, which is about 6 months from registration. Lastly, bear in mind that you have to stay in the property for 30 months from the day you move into the new home. So please do not sell, rent or move out of the property within these 30 months. So take note of the difference. It's 30 months from moving in and not 30 months from the registration of primary 1.
We hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you!